All right, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at a product from Jimbo's Detailing, the Super Soaper. Now, if you're not familiar with Jimbo, he has a YouTube channel where he tests a bunch of products over there, and now he's finally got his own product line out, and I wanted to test it here. Now, I'm usually not the first to the party, but I'll tell you what, when I show up, I get it right. So we're here, we've already did some good testing on it, and I'm already going to tell you, spoiler alert, this is some pretty good stuff. Now, what is this stuff used for? This is good for a traditional bucket wash. It also can be used in the foam cannon, making great thick foam. It also can be used as a touch-less wash, just meaning you're going to have to touch the car less after using this product. We'll foam up the car, let it dwell, rinse it down, and we'll see how clean it is underneath. So when we come back by with our contact wash, it'll just be less touching, less agitating, leading to less marring and scratching. Now, without any further delay, I want to go ahead and give this the smell test. It's kind of got that orange tangerine bead maker undertone, but there's something in there. I can smell something unusual. It's good, it's not bad, but I can smell that it's got a little bit of teeth to it, and I'm kind of excited about that. So let's get some mixed up. Let's get out there and try it out and see how it does. Yeah! Thanks a lot for watching, and if you're enjoying the video, consider hitting that subscribe button. Yeah! I would say that did as advertised. It got all that dirt off the car. Is it perfect? No, not perfect, but I'll tell you what, for like a midweek clean, that thing looks shiny and amazing. But now with 4 ounces in the foam cannon, I want to spray it on the truck. Let's see how thick that foam is. Let's see how it clings and sheets off, and let's see the results of that. Now 4 ounces in the foam can, and that worked amazing, but I want to try to get this to be a little bit more economical. Let's see how it works with 2 ounces. That's a wrap with Jimbo's Super Soaper. This stuff's amazing. It did everything that I thought it would do and then some. It worked pretty darn good. I'm impressed. Let me know down in the comments. What did you guys think? How was the foaming? How was the cleaning? Ease of use. Is this something you're considering? I'll leave links to everything down in the description. I always appreciate when you use the links. It supports the channel and keeps this thing going. And you know what? After testing this, I'm going to get a gallon out here. I'm going to put it on the shelf. Because that's some good stuff right there. And we'll see you on the next one. Yeah.